Hello and welcome to your meditation. Sitting in your comfortable position or laying back, begin to visualize yourself walking towards a small cottage in the countryside on a cold winter's evening. The dark is drawing in. The snow lies thick on the ground. And as you walk, you can hear the crunch of your feet on the hard ground. The trees you pass are covered in a blanket of snow, the branches laden with ice. Silence fills the air. The wind blows cold, but your warm coat protects you. As you enter the cottage, you find yourself hit with a wave of warmth. Feel a sense of relief to be safely away from the cold air of the night. Feel safe, feel secure. You make your way into the living room where you find a blazing log fire. Feel the extra heat and warmth as you walk into the room. The only light in the room is from the log fire. Imagine taking a seat beside the fireplace. Allow the body to sink down into the comfortable armchair beneath you. Take the time to position cushions to allow the head to relax, to be as comfortable as possible. Feel the shoulders widen, the back release. Sink deeper into the cushions. Feel as if the body has moulded itself into the chair. Relax and let go. Gaze into the fire and watch the flickering flames dancing around. The shadows of light and darkness on the surrounding walls. Be aware of the sounds from the fire, cracking, popping, sparks. Smell the scent of the freshly burning wood, of forest and earth, and observe the flames as they move and dance. Feel the warmth of the fire radiating out to spread around your body, through every cell. The eyelids are getting heavy. Feel as though you're sinking deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. It feels safe. You are safe. Relax and let go. You may like to pause the video here for a longer relaxation. When you're ready to, gradually begin to return into the room, back and away from the visualization, and spend a moment considering how you feel. And remember that you can take this feeling of peace and stillness with you, whether you're going off to sleep or continuing with your day. Namaste.